BGP, or Border Gateway Protocol, is a standardized exterior gateway protocol used to exchange routing and reachability information between different autonomous systems, ACEs, on the Internet. An autonomous system is a collection of IP networks and routers under the control of a single organization that presents a common routing policy to the Internet. Here are key points to understand about BGP. 1. Path Vector Protocol. BGP is a path vector protocol. This means that it maintains a table of network paths and selects the best path based on a combination of policies, rules, and metrics. 2. Inter-AS Routing Protocol. BGP is primarily used for routing between different autonomous systems. It helps different parts of the Internet communicate and exchange information about the best routes for data to travel. 3. Policy-based routing. BGP allows network administrators to define routing policies. These policies can influence decisions on which routes are preferred, allowing for fine-grained control over how traffic is directed. 4. Path selection. BGP considers multiple factors when selecting the best path, including the number of autonomous systems a route passes through, the reliability of each path, and the policies set by the network administrators. 5. TCP/IP-based. BGP uses the Transmission Control Protocol, TCP, for communication. This ensures reliable and orderly exchange of routing information between BGP routers. 6. Stable and scalable. BGP is designed to be a stable and scalable protocol, capable of handling the vast and complex nature of the global Internet. It can adapt to changes in the network while minimizing disruptions. 7. CIDR support. BGP supports classless interdomain routing, CIDR, which allows for more efficient use of IP address space and provides greater flexibility in designing networks. 8. Public and private peering. BGP can be used for both public and private peering. Public peering happens between different ISPs on the Internet, while private peering occurs within data centers or between private networks. 9. Internet backbone routing. BGP plays a critical role in the core routing infrastructure of the Internet. It helps direct traffic between different Internet service providers, ISPs, and ensures that data takes the most efficient and reliable paths. 10. Path advertisement. BGP routers exchange information about the networks they can reach by advertising paths. These advertisements include information about the route, AS numbers, and other attributes. BGP is a fundamental protocol for the global operation of the Internet, enabling the diverse networks that make up the Internet to connect and communicate with each other while allowing for policy-based control over routing decisions.